Greetings, my name is Angel Yushame. My code program is BA117, and my number matrix is 2025868774, and I'm in charge of question number 1 and number 2.
Hi, my name is Nushakina Bikarapi. I'm from BA117. My matrix number is 2025873766. I will present question 3.
And hi everyone, my name is Anissa Patricia binti Muhammad Saini.
Now I would like to talk about question 1. From the question, Ernie wishes to invest 40,000 in the bank for 5 years. She have two options for bank A and bank B. Interest rate that was given is 3.5% compounded quarterly, which means M is equals to 4 and K is equals to 0.035. For bank B, 4% is equals to K and compounded monthly M equals to 12. Which option should she choose for better financial return? So if we see from the start, 40,000 has given for P and 5 is equals to T. So let's use the formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N. So we have sorted out the information here. So let's start with bank A. For step 1, let's use the formula and we just fill in the label that we have sorted information out earlier. So for first step, S equals 40,000 bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 4 bracket to the power of 4 times 5. So we simplify it and got 1.00835, and 4 times 5 is 20. So for the final answer is 47,613.59. For bank B, we have sorted out the information too earlier. So using the same formula, we just put in by using the information for bank B, which means S equals 40,000 bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 bracket to the power of 12 times 5. So here we can simplify it in the bracket is equal to 1.0033 bracket to the power of 60. And the final answer is 48,839.86. So from here, it was recommended that any would choose bank B for better financial return. By from comparison, we can see that bank B has higher return than bank A. Now let's go for question 2. 9 years ago, I know deposit X ringgit into a saving account at ABC Bank. The interest rate is 3% compounded quarterly. So for the first 5 years. So from the information that was given in here, it is for 5 years, which K is equals to 0.03 and M is equals to 4. So yeah, this information we can use it for 5 years only. And let's proceed with the question. 4.5% compounded every 2 months for the rest of the period. For the rest of the period, so we have to get 9 years minus 5 is equals to 4 years. So 4 years is considered the rest of the period. So K is equals to 0.045 and M is equal to 6. The reason why it's equal to 6 is because every 2 months is, which means 6 times per year. So the information here, we can use it for 4 years only. After sorting out the information, we can see if the accumulated amount in saving account at the end of 9 years is 10,000. So which means for 9 years the total is 10,000. So we can label that as S. And to find the value of X is equals to P. So let's use the same formula from earlier question, but let's put in S that we have to find P. So 10,000 equal P bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 6 bracket to the power 6 over to the 6 times 4. So we don't use for the first step for 5 years. Instead, we use 4 years first, and then let's proceed to the 5 years. So we put 1 plus 0.045 over 6 bracket to the power of 6 times 4, where we put this equation to the left side that make it as a over. So it's like 10,000 over 1 plus 0.045 over 6 bracket to the power of 6 times 4. And then we simplify it, we got 1.1964135. And let's solve it in the calculator. We got final answer 8,358.31. That is P for the 4 years. So we use this as the next S for the 5 years. So we have to, the P we have to replace as a new S. So 8,358.31 label as A is equals to P bracket 1 plus 0.03 over 4 bracket 4 times 5. So for the same step, we putting this equation to the left side, and it becomes 8,358.31 over 1 plus 0.03 over 4 bracket 4 times 5 equals to P. And by using this formula, by putting it inside the calculator, we get the final answer 7,198.09, or we can label it as 0.10 also. So that's the value of X.
Now I'll explain question 3 part A. Rudy deposited 16,000, so 16,000 is our P, principal, in an account at K. So our K is unknown, compounded every 3 months. 3 months equal to 4, because 12 times 3 equal to 4. After 3 years, the amount is 18,500. 3 years is our T. The amount is 18,500. So we know that 18,500 is our S. Now we have to determine the total interest earned. We have to use formula I equal to S minus P. S 18,500 minus 16,000 equal to 2,500.
My name is Anissa Patricia binti Muhammad Saini. My number matrix is 2025812034, and I'm from course BA117, which is business transport. Okay, so I in charge for question number 4 and 5.
Section A, find the monthly payment.
So for the house price, it is RM 850000, and for the down payment, 60% of RM 180000. For the loan balance, we use to calculate it like house price minus the down payment. For the interest, it is 30 equal to 30 multiplied by 361. Find the monthly payment. So the first step is we need to 0.08000. For step 2, we need to calculate the long for the line balance. 85000 minus 100, we got 742,000. And step 3, we need to calculate the monthly payment. So we got the formula. Formula is M equal to P R 1 plus R power of N divided 1 plus R power of N minus 1. As we know that P is 7.2000, R is 0.046, N is 60 multiplied by 12, we got 360. So from the formula, we need to complete it. So M equal to 7.2000. Hello. Right. 0.046 over 12. 1 plus R again, 0.046 over 12. Power up 360. And divide by 1 plus 0.046. So for the house price is 7.2000, which is from the we got 0.005, 154. So we multiply it with the P, so we got RM 3,825.43. So set up for it, so we go on with the P. We calculate the interest. Total interest equal M multiplied N minus P. 3,825.43 multiplied 360 minus 7.2000, we will get 1,377.155 minus 7.2000, and we get the exact amount is RM 635.155. Set up for B. For the C, we need to find the balance. So we need to find the balance after 288 payments have been made. So we got the formula. It's my mistake, it was PMT. PMT 1 plus R power of M minus 1. So M equal to 288, P is 0.72000, R is 0.046 over 12. PMT is the amount that we get for question B, so it's 385.43. We need to complete the formula, just add in. B 288 equals 288 minus the PMT 3,825.43. 1 plus 0.046 over 0.046 on top. So we will calculate in the bracket first. 1 plus 0 on top, we get 3.093, and the other bracket we get 546,300. So we will calculate one by one for the measure. So 7.200 multiplies by 3.093, we get 2293,206 minus the other bracket we get 2088118 minus 10, then we get RM 205088 for question C. Let's move on to the D. Find the amount you have to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding area. So if 5 payments have been missed, so for the 6th payment, how much did he need to pay by that? So PMT bracket 1 plus R power up 5. Why 5? Because he missed 5 payments in time. So 1 plus 0.046 over 12 power up 5 multiplied by the PMT 3,825.43. So in the bracket we get no, so it's equal to RM 3,898.57 for just 4 months. So we need to multiply it by 4, so we get 0. Then multiply on the 6th payment, so we get RM 19493. So last question, number 5. 115 multiplied 1899, we get 2849.85. We calculate for the finance balance. We need to use the price minus down payment, so 1899 minus 2849.85, we get 6119.56. So we got the K is the interest 5.25%, M is the monthly compounded, so 1 over 12. So from here we get the interest, K per M, so 0.0525 over 12. We got 0.004, 0.004375. John pay monthly for RM 480, so it was the A. B equal to A, 1 minus B equal to A, 1 minus 1 plus I, power up negative N over I. So we just put it in, so 16149.15 equal to 488, right in the bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 0.04375, power up negative N over 0.04375. It's 149.50 in the bracket, 0.004375 over 488 dA equal to 1 minus 1.00435 power up negative N. 0.1448 equal to 1 minus 1.00435 power up negative N. So we need to use the log function. We replace below the 1 to the up. So 1 is 0.144 to 8. We get 0.855.8 equal to 1.00435 power up negative N. So if we get the negative N, we have to so we need to use the log function as I said. So log 0.855.8 equal to negative N now. 1.00435. So we bring the n to the right, so n equal to minus log 0.855.8 over log 1.0043. So we get the answer. N equal to 0.9563 over 0.00435. We divide, so we get